Hey guys, so I just wanted to say my video with Michaela from Fun Size Style is now out on my channel, so go check it out if you haven't already. And we're supposed to be getting a little bit of a hurricane, or actually a lot of bit of a hurricane. So we are prepping. It's not supposed to come till tomorrow, so we're just getting like some food that we need, like some snack food, stuff that's like non-perishable, because apparently people can be the power companies are saying, oh, be prepared to be out without power for up to 10 days. Now, we never, knock on wood, never lose power, like really ever, and if we do, it's only for a couple hours. But I don't know. But I just wanted to say that I will be vlogging because I do want to document like a hurricane, because we always have tropical storms, but like they're not downgrading this one to a tropical storm. It's like an actual hurricane, so that'll be interesting. But I will be filming because like obviously, that's kind of cool to document, plus like living through it and stuff. But I don't know how my upload schedule is gonna be, because obviously, if we have no power, I'd rather have my phone to like contact family and like, whatever. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll just know that videos are coming. So yeah. But right now I'm going to put on an audiobook and I'm gonna roll around my house for 30 minutes. Got my workout in before hurricane prep starts. Closed my exercise ring. Day 21 out of 31. 10 more days, and then I would have closed my rings every day this month. Super proud of myself. Hey everybody. It is 1:46, and I'm in my room, wrapped in my mini blanket. I swear this thing has become like my favorite bedding item that I own. Sorry, had to plug in the Apple Watch there. But anyway, so I'm just like waiting for this storm to start, because they're like, oh, it's gonna start at like 2 a.m. and go all day, and like people can lose power for up to 10 days, blah, blah, blah. So I'm trying to make sure that everything is charged. But we had lunch and we had a nice little phone call with my sister-in-law to see what she's up to see how they're gonna fare in the storm, because they're also on the East Coast. They're in Jersey, so, that's gonna get hit too. But I think for us, it's just gonna be really bad wind and rain. And I'm actually not going to sleep in my room tonight. My mom wants me to sleep elsewhere. Maybe even in the living room on an air mattress. I don't know. We haven't figured it out yet. But as you guys can see in my Fun Game Friday videos, we have a real big tree in our front yard, and it's like real big, but it's like real old also. So obviously with every storm, my mom gets nervous that it would fall down and stuff. And my room is right in the path where it would fall. And obviously I can't run out of a room very easily, so I'm not sleeping in my room tonight. And I will sleep elsewhere, and of course that'll be part of the vlog, because that'll be like camping. And then also we're going to my grandma's house from 3 to 6, so that's why I'm getting in my nap now. And then we're supposed to go to my sister's house for dinner. Her husband's gonna grill out, but if it's raining, we're not gonna go, so we'll see. But I wanted to keep you guys updated and say that like nothing's happened yet. it's like cloudy, but it's sunny out, you know? It's not like dark yet. So we're just waiting on the storm to come. Hey guys, it is 3:30 and we're headed to my grandma's until 6. And my mom is moving her car so we can get into the van, because if everything goes according to plan, then we're also going to... Oh. Hold on, do I even know how to... Sorry, there's like multiple buttons needed to open my car. And I just didn't know how to do it without having both hands. So, we needed to put the phone down. But we're headed to my grandma's for our shift. And then if everything goes according to plan, we're going to my sister's tonight. And then, when is the storm supposed to even start? 2 a.m.? 2 a.m. it's supposed to start? Oh. I don't know. But we're still waiting on the storm to come. We're still waiting for the storm to come. It's literally sunny and overcast outside. Crazy.